Hello everyone, good evening, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make plain baked cheesecake. I'm using completely homemade ingredients right from the cream cheese which I have made a couple of days ago. The first thing that I have done, I have placed some water into the oven tray, and I have set the oven at 200 degrees centigrade for about 5 minutes. I had set, it's already preset. All I have to do is prepare the ingredients and then I am going to bake it. Okay, the first thing that I am going to use or the cheesecake mixture is high fiber digestive biscuits, about one packet of it, and then I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of melted butter, about 110 grams or 115 grams of cream cheese, homemade cream cheese that I had made myself, corn flour, half tablespoon, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. I had taken normal sugar and grinded it to a powder. If you want, you can use caster sugar. The next thing that we are going to use is 1 beaten egg. The next is lemon rind, the lemon zest, or as we call it. It's about half tablespoon. Then I'm going to use 1/3 cup of milk. It's an unpasteurized milk. If you want to use pasteurized milk, you can use the Tetra packet or the normal packet ones. And vanilla essence. Vanilla essence I'm going to use half teaspoon. Then 1 teaspoon or half teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. This is the hand mixer, and which I'm going to use while preparing while mixing my ingredients. So before I get on the process, please smash the subscribe button and like, share it among your friends. If you have any comments regarding this video or any video that I have posted before, any kind of comment, positive, negative, I'm happy to take it into consideration, as it will help me to improve more and give you a more better video. It really helps a lot. So without further ado, let's start making this cheesecake. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to smash these digestive biscuits into a crumbly or grinding mixture. Before preparing your ingredients, make sure, this is the first and the foremost rule, keep your hands clean always, and keep your workstation where you're going to work clean, as you don't want it to get contaminated. So let's start. Split them in two, and then I'm going to gently press them. See? Yeah. And I'm going to completely smash them. Instead of graham cracker crumbs, I'm using the digestive biscuits. If you have graham cracker crumbs or any kind of cracker crumbs, you can use. You can even use the normal biscuits, normal milk biscuits that you get in the market. Now I'm going to use my 2 tablespoons of butter. I'll be making a well like we use in bread making process. Okay. Scrape out all the excess. Oops. Almost. So now what I'm going to do is this. Mix it thoroughly. savory smell with the digestive biscuit. This is going to be my base. So this is the container that I'm going to use. I've already sheeted it, and it's not a spring foam container. That's why I'm using the butter paper as to pull it out after setting. Now I'm going to put this into here properly. There's no space actually here where I'm working. Not that much of a space so that I can move freely. Now what I have done is I have pressed it completely so it hardens up a little. Now I'm going to put this in my fridge. I'll be back, but not like in Terminator. Part 2. I'm back. So the first thing that we are going to use is the cream cheese. We'll be mixing cream cheese with powdered sugar so that it blends completely. The thing with me is I sometimes I don't remember what I have written in my recipe book. So I consult it whenever I need. So now I'm going to put powdered sugar. Now this involves mixing. Just mix it coarsely. Now the second thing that I am going to use is milk plus corn flour. Now milk. The next thing that I am going to use is the egg. Now a little bit of lemon zest. I have already used lemon juice, fresh lemon juice in making my homemade cream cheese, so that would require a little bit of less amount of lemon juice as well as lemon zest. Then lemon juice. So now we're going to mix it. It will be a very runny mixture. So now I'm going to add half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Here. Okay, now it's done. Everything is well incorporated. I'm going to bring back my container set which I had already set in the freezer. I'm back. I'm looking this way, but the camera is pointing this way. Now I have brought back my container. It's already cold. Let's put the mixture on top. And now I am going to use the oven for baking. Check, there is good amount of water. I am putting it right now. Okay. So I am going to bake it at 180 degrees centigrade for about 45 minutes. I'll set the timer on my phone. Here we go. Okay, that's table, but I have to leave my lemon zest here, as I'll garnish it on top of the cheesecake, and I'll be back. The place where the tripod is standing is my bed, so it's a very low budget YouTube video. Occupational hazard. It's the final product. Okay, it's just come out of the oven. Lemon zest on top. Okay, this is how it looks. Slightly cracked. It shouldn't be cracked, but yeah, let's hope after setting it comes out good.